Experiencing a frozen Uconnect screen, no audio, or constant reboot loops in your Dodge Hornet? You're not alone. These issues are primarily software related within the Uconnect 5 system. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, a hard reset involves disconnecting the battery for 5 minutes. For more persistent problems, ensure your Uconnect system is up to date with the latest over-the-air OTA update. Stellantis has released multiple updates to address these problems. If issues continue, especially after updates or in extreme temperatures, a dealership visit for a full system wipe and reinstall is often the most reliable fix. Remember to check USB ports and wiring, as hardware faults can sometimes exacerbate software issues. While temporary fixes can help, Stellantis is actively working on long-term solutions. They plan a Uconnect 6 upgrade by 2026 with improved stability and cybersecurity. Extended warranties, 8 years, 100,000 miles, are available for affected units. In the meantime, keep an eye out for software updates. Consider using diagnostic apps like Torque OBD2 to monitor your system's performance. If problems persist, document them and contact Stellantis customer support. Be aware of potential supply chain delays for semiconductor-related fixes. Stay informed through Dodge forums and subreddits like r/Dodge Hornet for community-driven tips and solutions. While the issues can be frustrating, proactive updates and dealership support can help resolve most problems. If you are experiencing Uconnect issues on the road, pull over and stop the vehicle before attempting any troubleshooting.